You're the mouth at the tunnel just before the door.